Why should you care about having a carbon monoxide alarm in your home? Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless, and potentially deadly gas. A carbon monoxide alarm can detect this gas and alert you in time. With an alarm, you can ensure the safety of your loved ones from this hidden danger. It helps prevent carbon monoxide poisoning and its severe health effects. It's an inexpensive way to buy peace of mind for your family's safety. Ensuring your home is equipped with one is a small action that can make a big difference. Make the smart choice. Get a carbon monoxide alarm today and protect your home and loved ones.